description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, should you take the bait. This one comes by way of my kid's school bus driver. Thank you again, sir, for giving me this. This is Ottogi Jjajang, and it's from South Korea. This was the version for the U.S. market. I've been noticing a lot of Ottogi stuff that is spelled not like this. Hold on. Pardon me. Generally, Ottogi varieties in the United States are spelled O-T-T-O-G-I. All of a sudden, Jin is like Jin ramen mild, Jin ramen hot. I've been seeing a lot of them spelled O-T-O-K-I, Ottogi, which is probably closer to what it's supposed to be. You'll have words like tteokbokki, and you'll see it spelled with two T's at the beginning or two D's at the beginning. I'm guessing the double G is like a kind of soft K, Ottogi. Ottogi. It's interesting. The dialect is very, very complex, and I think if you like put the emphasis on the wrong syllable, you know, that kind of thing. So, but anyways, you get to watch it boil. For all of you people who absolutely love watching boiling noodles, today is your magical touchstone of a day. So we're gonna put the noodles in. We got 5 minutes to cook. Oh, we got to put that in too. But yeah, I'm going to try to make these look as nice as possible and see what my friend, the bus driver, has to say. South Korea just got a new, what do you call it, president. They had some government stuff going on recently. And it sounds like that's kind of mellowed out, so that's good for them. Yay, Korea. But yeah, it is today, and it's making a mess, and it's continuing to do so. So yeah, how's it going? I've been not doing like the 20-mile walking or anything like that. I'm okay with that. But I've been doing like a walk in the morning, a walk in the afternoon, and then my whole family goes out on a walk. That's pretty good. That's getting around and doing and such. So I like that. But yeah, I wish I just had like 50 bucks. I'd go to the thrift store and buy this thing that I want. But I don't have 50 bucks. It's not even 50 bucks, but I like to have a little bit of a buffer zone. But it'll be alright. Yeah, what else is going on around here? There's a lot of crazy politics. Crazy things happening. People getting mad about this and that. But I will say, right now, I would like to thank my friend the bus driver who gave me these, and everybody who has been a bus driver for my children. I think they don't get as much credit as they ought. Because it's really, really... I couldn't imagine... Oh, man. The crying, whining, and complaining of having to walk them to school for like 2 miles. Oh boy. Oh boy. That wouldn't go so well. I don't know though. It'd probably be good exercise. I mean, you know, but it's nice. We always have pretty nice bus drivers. But you're watching this and the new school year has already started. I'm doing this, and we got 2 weeks until the end of school and summer starts. So it's kind of a here and there kind of thing. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep. My daughter's softball is winding down. She's got a game on Friday. They still haven't won. It sucks. They deserve to win. They totally deserve it. They've had some games that they've done really well. But it's like, some of these girls are like twice as tall as my daughter, and she's pretty tall for her age and how old they're supposed to be for playing softball. So I don't get it. Somebody picked like, let's just give these guys the short kids. I don't know. It's jacked up. Speaking of ball, we've been watching the Giants. They're playing the Padres right now. They're in second place behind the Dodgers, who we really, really dislike. And we just got whomped 2 nights in a row. We're just not hitting. So we'll see what the Giants do tonight. We are going to be playing the Rockies, who are like, wow, I can't remember, but the last time I saw, I think it was like 57-10. Yeah, that's pretty horrible record. I don't know. Not something to be stoked on if you're a Colorado fan. Maybe we'll get to play 4 games in a row, sweep, and the other teams will do horribly, and then we'll be in second place. It's weird. I used to just follow my team, but now I follow the other teams because I'm like wanting to see how it goes as far as us getting into the postseason. All right, now here we go. Liquid. So, I don't know how traditional what I'm going to do to this will be, but it's what I'm going to do to this. Here's that. Come and look. And we're going to put in our sauce for our jjajangmyeon. Black bean sauce. And what's interesting about these guys is it's a smoky black bean sauce. Smoky. Yeah, you can smell it. It smells smoky. I prefer jjajang that has a liquid sachet rather than a dry one. Paldo also puts out quite a nice one of these with vegetables and stuff. Like they have peas and carrots, I think. But yeah, it is very dark, very stick to your ribsy kind of stuff. If it's really cold outside and you come home and make this, you'll be stoked. It's like a stew, but a dry noodle dish. That's a good jjajang. I like this one a lot. My favorite is their jjampong. I just came out with my bottom 10 list, and the number 1 on the bottom 10 list is a spicy jjajang. This is good. That was the new number 1 and really bad. Not only that, it was one of those mukbang trays, so you gotta eat it all, and it's a horribly large amount. This is much more reasonable. That was weird. My Bluetooth just died without any warning. Not that I'm using it currently. Oh, maybe it timed out because I'm not using it. That's a possibility. So here comes the stuff that's probably not anything you would see normally. I was thinking about slicing it and putting it in and stirring it in. But, you know, I'm going to go this route. I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to cook the heck out of it, too. There's that. Next, Sproop. Yes, that's what I need. Whoa, you are really runny. Okay, don't get arrogant with me, egg. I'm just gonna guide you. Come on. We can do this. We can do this. Stay a friend. Stay a friend. There we go. That is one very, very lightly done egg. A little bit of scallion. Come on, seeds, show up a little bit better. Why not? Well, let's add a little bit of this pepper thread. That sounds like fun. Yeah, I think I like that. So there you are. So that is some fancy jjajang to enjoy and watch rotate. Again, a big thank you to the kids' morning bus driver for the 24-25 school year. Really appreciate that. And yeah, there will be more to come. Yeah, it's been crazy taking like 3.5 weeks off and then coming back to do this. It's been a trip. So, but I'm back. So, gonna go get some more ready for tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye bye.